G'day again, all. Hef from Epic Rides and Tours here. Beth has run away. I was going to ask her to sit with me, but no, nobody likes sitting on the camera except me. Got that big an ego, actually. It's just a belly. Anyway, enough of the effects of Christmas. We had a big booking for Boxing Day, and it was cancelled at the last moment because of the family concerned all catching COVID. So we don't charge extra, by the way, for Boxing Day or any other public holiday because we know it's the only sort of time that so many families, many people can actually spare. Anyway, we got a replacement ride on Boxing Day, so that made our bank balance look a bit better, I can tell you. Anyway, two young lads from Canada that you couldn't ask for a more different environment. We're getting news of them having minus 50 and below, and we had around about 35, 36, I think, yesterday. But anyway, just a few pics to show you. Okay, well, we usually pick people up from their accommodation anywhere in the Hastings Valley. Or sometimes they can come to us. We will pick them up at either one of our favourite cafes in the area. There's a Classy Cafe and Espresso Bar, just usually shortened to Classy, and that's in Cameron Street, Warhope, by the way. Free plug, free plug. And Beechwood Cafe and Bar, which serve the biggest schnitties on the planet, bar none. Another quick free plug. Anyway, because it was Boxing Day and basically no one was open, all our catering friends were getting a well-deserved rest. We let Ben and Luke arrive and get tested for helmet size at HQ Epic Rides. Okay, so having fitted the helmets, we got lined up on the street directly outside HQ Epic Rides and prepared for the off. Well, keen-eyed followers will notice that I'm no longer wearing the shirt I was when I started making this video. So it's a couple of days later, and I've noticed that I sound all stuffed up and cold in the dozy in the previous video part of the video. I can assure everyone it's only hay fever. I get it every year, and only the severity varies. Anyway, yeah, that was a pretty good ride. We went from Warhope down through Herons Creek to Kew, So we took the old Pacific Highway, which is now actually a dirt track, and then from Kew we zoomed across the highway to West Haven and took a side trip up to North Brother Mountain, which locals all know. It's an absolutely stonking view in either direction from up there. Absolutely beautiful place. And on a previous job where I used to do gardening, lawn mowing, all the heavier jobs uh, for NDIS and aged care people. And there goes Lurch, the household team. Yeah, in summer weather, you can imagine it was pretty hot. And that's where I used to take my lunch breaks because it was a good 5 to 10 degrees cooler than it was elsewhere. So there's a tip. Stinking hot, go up North Brother Mountain, take a picnic with you. There aren't any barbecues up there at the moment. I'm sure they'll eventually arrive, but it's a great place for a picnic and to get out of the heat. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.